I'm making a frugal meal, and I'm using tuna fish instead of chicken, since I have a can of tuna fish sitting in front of me. Never made this before, but it's what I'm going to eat. I think I should make more rice, but maybe not. Amazon makes vegetables. I'm going to put a drop of oil in there. Just a drop. This is, I think this is oldie tuna fish. I'm gonna put it in closer to the end. So I'm gonna turn this down a little bit, and I'm going to let it cook a little bit. Let some of the vegetables come down. I love these mixed vegetables. Ooh. It's gonna be good. That smells like cat food. Shit. I've never been a fan of fish, boys and girls. You don't really see fish on my stove, but I need some fish right now. So I'm gonna put this together, let it simmer down on low for about 5 minutes because it's already cooked. I hope it's good, boys and girls. It definitely looks good. It definitely looks good. And this is how I love my food. But what made me use tuna? I don't know. But I need to let it soothe a little bit because I've been having mouth when I burn myself too much. But it smells delicious. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. Coral's seasoning is real good. Ooh, I don't. Mm-mm. Mmm. 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 That tuna fish gives it like a punch, a flavor. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. I absolutely love frozen mixed vegetables. Oh my goodness. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Mmm. 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 And this is almost the only way for me to get those beans right there. If I buy this and it doesn't have corn and all, I don't know why. I just can't eat it. And if someone else cooks it, I can eat it. But me cook it, I can't do it. Mm-mm. Mm, I like it. The, the frozen vegetables are so fresh. Mm, mm, mm. Between Aldi and Amazon's mixed vegetables, they are both delicious. I kid you not. Mm. I had every intention on making a meal with a Nora packet and tuna fish because someone commented about it. I just don't have I have nothing in my mind that I could make with that meal. So what I'm gonna try to do is get a Nor rice packet and try to figure out something that I can make with that. But I just want to let you know some of us, and I say us because I'm one of them, have to be careful with what we eat because what we eat is how our bodies react. But a lot of people are going through things right now. So I want you to focus on providing something to eat for your home and taking some vitamins and herbals and things like that to help you get through the day. There is no way that we can possibly afford, unless we have a whole lot of excess of money, to put the real good things on the stove that we really want. But if this is what you have to eat, I want you to have pride in what you put on your table. I want you to know a full belly before you go to bed is better than hunger before you go to bed. These easy, quick meals fill your pot and can make you a few plates on your table for very little. I haven't eaten rice in a very long time because I sleep too much and rice put me to sleep. But I said I'm going to make rice for a few of my meals so that I could at least have some rice since I do love rice. But please do not allow anyone to make you feel bad about what you put on your table. We have to take care of ourselves the best way we can in this world. And right now, we have to focus on kindness and staying prayed up. If you can do that, I think you're doing a great job. Is that who I think it is? Because if it's not, you're wasting my time. Anyway, have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Bye bye.